Learning Window. The doing words in column A tell us about the action that is happening now. The doing words in column B tell us about the actions that have already taken place. Doing words tell us about the actions that are happening now or that have happened in the past. Study this table. We played tennis yesterday. Everybody laughed at the joke. I visited Goa the previous week. Mother baked a delicious chocolate cake. Emily picked up the kitten. All the verbs in the first column take on ed to show that the action has already taken place. Some other verbs change in this manner to show actions that have already taken place. Go, went. Run, ran. Come, came. Take, took. Wake, woke. Eat, ate. Leave, left. Send, sent. Say, said. Know, knew. Swim, swam. Mean, meant. Become, became. Speak, spoke. Meet, met.